Well, it's been an interesting morning. Finally got round to working on the old camper. Gavin, the guy I bought it from, seemed to think it was a starter which was faulty, and he removed the starter, which I refitted today. When I looked closer, it was not surprising. It struggled to start. This was the wiring between the battery and the starter motor. So, trip to the electrical wholesalers, and I got some proper multi-strand cable with some new crimps. And the surprising thing, when you consider this was last on the road about 4 or 5 years ago, I was cranking it over to test the starter, just like I'm about to do now. Hey, still running a bit lumpy, but it's still on choke at the moment. A couple of electrical problems, like this for example. When I first started it, I was really surprised. It's only cranked for about 4 or 5 seconds and then it started, which is amazing for a vehicle that's been stood so long. But the electrics, they really are shot no matter where you look. There's loose wires, bird's nest, more loose wires. Everywhere you look on the vehicle there's wires disconnected and hanging down. But all in all, I'm very happy with the way things have turned out.